Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Cute Arna. So today I'm gonna unbox two things. One are these markers and second is this box which I ordered, which is customized by my name. So first we are going to open this, and I'm so sorry everyone that I already used, so it would be easy for me to shoot. So actually these are 12 shades of markers. So I bought them today only and used them today. So let me show you all the shades of this. It's over here. And these markers, 12 markers, costed me of rupees 200. And these are okay, nice. This will come at the back and this is the front, and everything is written in Chinese, I could say. So I tested them. And the second thing is this, my box. Let's take it out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this box, I bought it, which has my name written on it. I actually said them to customize it, so they customized. So we open it from here like this. Open it. So it's like this. And you know everyone that my one secret of making today my video at 12 o'clock is I couldn't sleep. I was very energetic at night. I don't know why. So I made this vlog. Let's see if these markers fit in this box. First, these 6, and now these 6. Oh, they come in a pretty cool way with all the shades. And now it's the turn to put them with the box, means like to put all the markers inside the box and putting it with the box inside. So I took them for my drawings. I make drawings actually in school. Only one thing is left now to unbox is my drawing file, which I'm gonna just take it soon. So yeah, now let's see if it comes with the box. Oh, it's so difficult to put it in. It's very beautiful, but can't fit in. These are very big to fit in. What should we do? I'm so sorry. Yeah, can't do anything, but yeah, I can put my jewelry in. And from jewelry I got this new ring. I hope you liked it. So this was my end of the video, and tomorrow I'll make a new vlog. I will go out and make it. So bye guys, till then.